It has been over 2 years since I had this case. There might be some features that needs improvement, but overall performance is great. Airflow is impressive, especially if you swap the pre-installed 200 mm fan case in front with two 120 mm fans. This is how it looks like after 2 years. It's an eyesore. It doesn't look like a rat's nest considering the amount of time it was neglected and abused, but it is dusty. The reason why airflow is impressive with this case is because of the perforated front panel, but this presents a big issue. It is a dust magnet. So to remedy that, I cover the inside of the front panel with a felt material. It was a great solution because it was cheap and effective. The felt cloth helped minimize dust from entering the intake, and it has not restricted airflow. So without further ado, let's start cleaning.
About one of my favorite, very affordable game. I want to talk to you guys about one of my favorite, very affordable gaming setups in the way of a motherboard, CPU, RAM, and SSD combo.
Sorry, I got distracted. AMD's Ryzen 5 3600 is pretty impressive. Well, I know it doesn't look good, but it's clean. He upgraded the fans to be quiet, one on the exhaust and two on the intake. I have upgraded my video card to GTX 1070 Ti. It's a little bit buff now, so I'm happy with it. I have been thinking about upgrading my system to AMD Ryzen 3600. This PC still performs, but it's dated. This rig is rocking an Intel i5 3rd gen processor. So I think it's about time to upgrade. Should I stick with the blue team or switch to the red team? Please leave your comments below. And don't forget, like and subscribe.